Hey guys, it's Nia. Thank you so much for watching. Today's video is going to be an extreme clean with me. Our house was a complete and utter mess right after the Christmas holiday, so I hope you find this video to be motivating and inspiring to get your home in order just in time for the New Year's.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets and our broken hearts, but they can't even touch us. We found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the leaves. Oh, getting caught in the mist is a minute that never gets.
So as usual, I'm starting in the kitchen, and Riley had just eaten either her breakfast or lunch. So I'm cleaning that off because she can be an extremely messy eater. And the next thing I'm really just going to be tackling are these countertops and all of the clutter and mess that we have in the kitchen.
We supersede, and we hold in the key. Yeah, we're tight as can be. We're rolling just like we please. Oh, getting caught in the mist is a minute that never get out of. We're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're going run till the end, and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody
We had family and friends over during the Christmas holiday season, so I definitely wanted to wipe down these chairs because a lot more people were sitting down and eating on them. And of course, naturally, we tend to drop things, so I definitely wanted to tackle these. I usually do like to wash a bunch of dishes, but today I just was not in the mood. So I took all of the dishes out of the dishwasher and then I added whatever was into the sink. And what I like to do to make things a lot easier is I literally take everything out of the dishwasher and I stack them in categories, so when I'm putting everything back, it just makes everything a lot easier. Also, I never like to run the dishwasher right after putting everything in because as you're cleaning, you tend to find more dirty utensils and dishware all around the house. So I'm going to wait until the end to actually put that on.
Nothing more, nothing less from you. Just take the night and you leave when it's like nothing wrong. It's alright with you. No ties. No price, oh no, no need, oh no, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't care. Oh, oh, oh. And the fanciest things couldn't make me believe in us. I'm here for pleasure, so don't you put pressure on me to give into us. All I need is short-term devotion. I don't wanna be so emotional. Just wanna dance, want a simple romance. Nothing more, nothing less from you. No ties, oh no, no price, oh no, no need, oh no, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel.
There were some larger items like the top of Riley's high chair that I did want to hand wash, as well as our coffee maker. And I will always wash her bottles and her personal things because there have been times when I've put them into the dishwasher, not necessarily the bottles, but I have put some of her items into the dishwasher, and I think just the heat really altered her stuff, so I will forever hand wash them.
Don't worry about a thing, 'cause you and me won't last long. Just stay with me for a drink and show me a good time. If I wanted more than this, I'd love you until I'm gone. But you only get a sip, so show me a good time. I don't care.
So I was hoping with all of the food around and people eating different things that Riley would actually start to try new foods, but that was not the case at all. We are still stuck on chicken, mashed potatoes, french fries, and chicken nuggets. But I hope that we do finally get through this whole phase of her not trying to eat anything, because I'm starting to get tired of just making chicken and mashed potatoes.
So tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do, like I do, like I do, like I do, like
Finally finishing up the kitchen, I like to create a little nook where I put all of the random tchotchkes and things like that that need to go in other rooms or upstairs. So that's what I'm doing now, putting these near the steps, because then it just makes everything easier for me to go up and down, to put everything back upstairs. The day got the best of me, so I didn't get a chance to bring everything upstairs, and this is hours later, so now I'm finally getting a chance to tackle the family room. By this time, Riley is down for the night, so it's better for me to tackle the family room when she is not around, because again, in 2 seconds, it's going to be a hot mess all over again. So I'm going through all of our gifts, because I don't know about you guys, but we tend to keep our gifts under the tree and sometimes end up keeping them in random places and never bring them all the way upstairs. So I do not want that to happen this year. So I'm going through everything, bringing things upstairs, because this year we are going to have a clean home right after the holiday season. Riley definitely got a bunch of toys this year, so what I'm gonna do is go through her older toys and get rid of anything that she doesn't really play with anymore. But how cute is this little chair and table set in the corner? I picked it up from IKEA. It was only $30, and I thought it was the perfect gift for her so she can color and really get her creativity on. And all I did was paint the table white and then the chairs pink. I thought it was a really great touch and something cute that she can play with.
so insecure about myself when I met you. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking.
All right, guys, so it has clearly been a full day of cleaning, and my camera died and said, girl, you need to go to bed and stop cleaning. So really the only thing left that I did was take all these items, put them at the bottom of the stairs so I can tackle that tomorrow. And then I put these 2 big blankets that you see hanging there in the corner where we keep the rest of our blankets. It's the next day and I'm finally tackling the huge pile of crap at the bottom of the stairs. So I'm running everything upstairs, putting it in its proper place. And then I have a little helper, as you guys can see as well.
You were making me so sure in a heartbeat. All of my doubts disappearing at last. You made me fall without saying a sentence.
Since Riley wasn't taking a nap today, I ended up putting in a load of her laundry because it started to pile up in her room. So this was the best time for me just to get a chance to finally tackle that. And then also Riley has graduated to a big girl car seat. So what I'm trying to do is take the box from the new one and put her old car seat and bases in there as well. And I'm just gonna put that downstairs in the basement. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video gave you some cleaning motivation to get your home in order for the holidays. And I can't wait to catch you guys in 2019. Bye.